In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add symbols so you can monitor markets quickly and stay organized. A watch list is your personal shortlist of tickers you want to keep an eye on, whether that's stocks, crypto, forex, or indices. It keeps everything you care about in one place, so you don't have to search for the same symbols over and over. Start by looking to the right-hand side of your Tradingview screen. There's a vertical sidebar with several icons. Open the Watchlist panel from there. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Watchlist or Watchlist and Details, and it typically shows a panel with your current list of symbols. If the panel is collapsed, just click once to expand it. You can also adjust the panel's width by dragging its edge, which makes long ticker names easier to read. At the top of the watchlist, click the Add icon, which also acts as a search field. This is your gateway to adding new symbols. When you click it, you'll see a search bar where you can look up instruments by ticker or by name. Tradingview will show results across different markets, which is helpful if the same ticker exists on multiple exchanges. Type the symbol or ticker you want to add. For example, you can enter a short ticker like AAPL or type a full name like Apple. If there are multiple listings, you can refine your choice by including the exchange prefix, such as NASDAQ AAAPL, to make sure you're adding the exact one you want. You can also type crypto pairs like BTC/USD or forex pairs like EUR/USD. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm your selection. Pressing Enter adds the highlighted result to your list right away. If the search results are open, you can use your arrow keys to highlight the correct listing, then hit Enter. This helps if there are duplicates or multiple exchanges for the same company. The symbol will appear immediately in your watch list. You'll see it populate in the panel, ready to open on the chart with a single click anytime. If you're signed into your Tradingview account, your watch list will be saved and available across your devices, so you can pick up right where you left off. That's all there is to it. Open the watchlist panel, use the Add Search field, type your ticker, press Enter, and your symbol appears instantly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.